Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm super excited to bring to you guys my very first earbuds from B&O. I've done a few of their headphones for a while. I've done unboxings and reviews, so this is my first time I'm doing the earbuds. Before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel completely survives on your subscriptions. Now, this is the box. Tiny, minimalistic, very minimalistic, which is, if you guys are new to this channel, is the way I like it. I know what I'm buying. I don't need 100 million things written on it for me to know what it is. Now, this is something that I would probably be a nitpick. This is the wrong way. This should be sitting like that, you know, unless if that's how you're supposed to hold it, then it's fine. Which is, I think it's supposed to be held like this, with this in the side, because this is the bottom and the sides and top has nothing. But that's a bit of a nitpick. Let's open this up with me with my trusty pin. Sorry about all the noise in this area, because I've got it's a new area and it's getting developed right now, and a lot of builders in the area that don't understand that it's 8 p.m. in the night and they need to be quiet. Okay, let's slide this open. So what I'll be doing is I'll unbox it, tell you guys what I think of it, and also pair it up. So that's really, really exciting. Very nice soft plush box in here to give it a lot of protection. Now, for those of you who are keen-eyed, this is not just any Beoplay EX by Bang & Olufsen's. This is the Ferrari edition. So this is about $300 more just for being a Ferrari edition. Okay, let's put that aside for now. Let's look at this box. What do we get inside? So nice little thing. Wow, it smells so strong. I smelled something. It's not repulsive, but it's different. Okay, so you get a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, okay, and I believe you get some headphones in here as well. Okay, this is now what they're all doing. So small, mediums are on there, small, large, and extra small, and comply. I'll find out what comply means. I've never had these before, so maybe those are something I'll try and let you guys know how I go. You also get a bit of a booklet in here as well with it. So you get the warranty booklet and the manual, extended warranty with the app. So dear music lover, okay, so within the first 3 months, if you sign up with the app, which I'll be doing right now, it gives you 3 years of warranty. But regardless, in Australia, you get 2 years. So this is a bit disappointing and different. It's rubberized down here. Okay, very different to the rest of the aesthetics of this case. It looks like soft aluminium feel to it and look to it, but this is just like rubber. Okay, bang, opens up pretty nicely, has a nice little tug to it. Okay, can't complain at all. The headphones sit in here like so. Look at that, guys. That looks nice, doesn't it? It's very nice. Okay, so these are the right ones. Let's take the left ones out. So these are the left ones. How gorgeous are these? All right, and inside is really, has this sort of soft rubberized texture, but not as soft as rubber, because rubber you can press on, but it is soft. It isn't plastic. I don't think this is plastic, but that's something I can get back into. Or if you know what it is, please do comment below and let me know what they are. Let me get these up and running. Okay, maybe it goes into pairing mode immediately, although looks like it does not. Audio device, maybe try that. Let me see if we get, this is one of those things that you get a bit of a better feel for it if you go through the app. Okay, we'll allow that. Okay, so I think it's, there you go. So it's a lot easier to pair this up with the proper app. Okay, so it's detected it immediately. Does not come up with the red Ferrari theme. Okay. So it just found them before, but they can't find them now. So these apps can be a bit finicky, especially I feel like it's true when you're using an iPhone. This can take forever. Let's admire these while we're waiting on that. Okay, so it takes a bit of time to come up. There you go. It's not seamless or quick in any way, shape or form, but that's just paired up right now. And that's basically it. Festive gold, Ferrari red, okay. So you can tell it. Okay, that's basically it. Alright, so we get some transparency mode. You can change the noise cancellation level, the transparency level, and just neutral. And in neutral you get all these. In neutral you don't get all this, and you got adaptive, which is fantastic to see. Noise reduction as well. You got like the B&O, if you guys are new to it, they don't actually do a equalizer. They have sound modes. I would personally like to have the option for both and be able to not just go warm and this and that, and rather have the full complete control. Cool settings as well. So you've got hear your own voice, natural noise cancellation, and that's basically it. Standby mode. And there's nothing much here, and you can go replace, case update. Let's go for case update. Case not found, that's fantastic. Always, standby, wind reduction, software update. Let's see if there are any software updates for this, but I'll put that aside for now, and let's get back to the headphones. So the headphones have this Apple AirPods feel to it, although pro-ish, because they're quite short, the stem. So they have that sort of feel to it with the stem and things like that. But the stem, to my knowledge, that isn't sensitive in any way, shape or form. And let's get these things off it as well. That looks nice. Can you guys see the shine on it? It's beautiful, isn't it? Really loving the look of it, the red Ferrari look. Okay. Can't say I'm the biggest fan of Bang & Olufsen's or this style of earphones, but having said that, how did these go back in? So having said that, I do like these ones, the Ferrari editions. I do not like the extra price for it, but that's basically it, guys. Let me know if you guys are looking forward to me doing the update for you guys on the review, and what else you guys would like me to pair this up against and do a verse, like side-by-side verse. So let me know in the comments below what you guys would like to see. Thank you for watching this. Take good care. Bye bye.